Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zombie piglin farm in Minecraft. First, gather your essential resources like obsidian for portals and plenty of cobblestone for the main structure. This farm is fantastic for collecting gold and gaining experience points quickly. We'll cover everything from portal construction to collection systems, ensuring you have a fully functional farm by the end. Let's dive into the steps.
Now, let's get to removing the old cup holder. Start by carefully prying up the surrounding trim panel. Use a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching your interior. Once the trim is loose, you'll see the fasteners holding the cup holder. Unscrew these, then gently disconnect any electrical connectors. Take your time here to prevent any damage to the wiring or surrounding components.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep things fresh. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.